Hey friends, it's good to have you back on my YouTube channel. I guess you enjoyed the last video I uploaded, right? On today's video, I'm introducing you to a very short sound. And what is that short sound? Here it is. Now that sound looks like the letter D, right? But it is not the letter D. In fact, the sound is the short sound of the letter O. And what is the short sound of the letter O? Listen and repeat after me. O. Again. O. Once more. O. So the sound O can be gotten in words spelled with the letter O. But remember, not all words spelled with the letter L makes a sound O, okay? Now the letter A too can also make the sound O. And that is why I've written out some words which we are going to look at. Okay, so we're using the British pronunciation to take these words. So look at the words again. Okay, so I'm sure you can see the word. So like I said earlier, we are using the British pronunciation to get this word, the pronunciation to these words. So please listen and repeat after me. Let's go. Quarantine, quarantine. Swamp, swamp. Squander, squander, squander. And the last one, swallow, swallow. Now there are several words spelled with the letter A making the sound O, but you will hold on to this one till I meet you another time. So remember, wherever you see these words, remember to pronounce them the way we've learned them. So you still remember the pronunciation using the British pronunciation. Okay, so let's go. Let's say that again. Quarantine, swamp, swamp, squander, squander, and the last one, swallow. Okay, so remember to like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, recommend my channel, and of course you can actually turn on the notification button so that you will get notified when a new video drops. Now remember, we are actually doing virtual classes, so if you would want a virtual class for yourself or for your kids, please be sure to contact me. I have a Facebook page named Speech Drill, so please go there. My contact information is there, and of course if you message me, I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. So till I see you again, have a nice day.